Here we go. Flaps. Down. Okay, here we go. De-ice, we have some de-ice, yes. We have the anti-ice, definitely. At least I hope. And we have the engines, I think, at a decent speed for de-icing, yes. Alright. Flaps coming down a little more. And we're going down as well. Okay. The music is perfect. Yeah, Trajan, I think so. Thanks to Chevy, I would say. Oh my god, that's very loud. Vertigo. Vertigo, thank you so much. Sorry, I lowered it now. That was very loud. And a little more engines, please. And now we can get to flaps 30. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go, boys. Ta-da! So incoming to Svalbard, very nice airport, I have to say. I don't expect a very nice landing, to be honest, I'm sorry. But this plane I still have, I still have some troubles. Anyway, we'll do our best, guys. I'll do our best. The wind is kind of noticeable. There is a bit of wind, I have to say. It's okay. 268. Hey Norbert, that's a very likely one, yes. That's a likely one. Okay. This aligning. Okay. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you, IO39 and a series of numbers that I cannot say now. But thank you so much for your follow, dude. I appreciate it.
500.
Why am I not aligned? I don't know.
Flight slow. 100. Flight slow. 30. 20. 10.
Down, baby. Here we go. Sorry, guys. A bit of flare. But yeah, that was nice. That was probably... The touchdown was nice. And there was a bit of wind. There was a bit of wind. But yeah, I did flare a lot. There we go. Oh shit, oh shit. Alright. Stop, 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 baby. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, we did it, guys. We did it, boys. We did it. Yes. Just one more step down the ladder of civility. What is it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, what are you talking about? Oh. Nice. Thank you, Uni. Oh, thank you, Jones. Thank you, man. Now, it's a bit of thank you, Ken Flyer. That was nice, yes. The sync rate. Mega, which one? It would appear people don't give a damn and use the norm is acceptable. What is it? No one cares about... thank you, Trajan. Thank you, man. Thank you. Wow. And this is our parking spot, I think. But what is it? What is it, guys? I don't know. I don't know. Finally, a greaser in the 732. A greaser, yes. What is it? What's going on here? I got drama, yeah. What the fuck? Let me get to the... What happened, Michigan? Why Michigan was... Oh, shit, let me stop. That they crossed the line. Okay, Chevy, well... Then, I mean, I leave it, guys, to you, you know. Let me actually get to this song. This one. I don't know. Galaxy. Thank you, man. Thank you for the follow. I don't know. I don't know what happened here, guys. Someone needs to explain me, please. Someone explain me, please. I don't understand. Okay. I need to understand. Okay, stop. Oh, wow. I finally stopped it. I don't know. Next gen. Oh, thank you, man. Good night, sir. Good night to you. Actually, let me get to this. Oh, lovely. So, I need to understand, guys, what happened here. I don't want... What the fuck happened? I don't know. Kids. Okay, fuck it. Then, okay. As long as we can sort it out, guys, in an adult way, then we're okay. I'm okay. So again, I trust my mods take the right decisions, and if someone cross the line, bye bye. Mega. You kinda look for it. You kinda call for it. So then, okay. I'm sorry, Noodle, if someone went wrong. But here I am supporting every decision you can take. King Karpov and from the UNS, thank you. Oh, okay, Chevy. Man, Chevy, I need to hire you for summing up things. Man, you have a gift for synthesis, I have to say. There was a bit of flair, yes. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, Mega. Timing out Mega is becoming yeah. It shouldn't become a sport, actually, yes. We do it for fun, but yeah. You got to go, Jones. Oh, thank you, man. Buonanotte. I have to work as well, so this is gonna be the last landing, of course. Oh, shit. Let me see. Actually, yeah, I mean... so, let me get this straight, guys. Let me get this straight. Michigan is drunk. Thank you, Freak. Let me see this. Let me see from the spotting view. Move along. Yeah, keep the chat related. Thank you, Uni. Oh, yeah, okay. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything now. I'm not gonna say anything. But anyway, let me see this view. I think yeah, we did. Now there was a bit of a flare because I'm getting used to, you know, the yoke and the throttles. So this yoke is, yeah, well, I don't want to blame the yoke because it's not really her fault, it's my fault mainly. But it's not the most sensitive one, I have to say. But anyway. No, come on, that was nice, guys. That was a nice touchdown. Come on. Wait a fucking minute there. I'm Newton bitte. Hang on a minute. Got a new joke. Got a new yoke. No, P3 is always the same. And it's a Cytec and it's a, you know. Oh, Ken Flyer, thank you. Man, that was a nice touchdown. Nice. Man, I liked it. The yoke is a she? For me, yes. For me, yes, Carvo. I don't know. Thank you, guys. Thank you. This plane is a 733-200. Arbor 19, thank you for the follow. Let me see the wing one view, please. Here we go. Full DCS stream. Ooh, I don't know, Mega. No. No, just a tiny bit. From under CHZ, thank you for the follow. Thank you very much. So, we will see some sexy flexi. We'll see now. Maybe. And King Raptor, thank you for the follow. Thank you very much. Boom. Yeah, well, I did have the inputs, unfortunately. I did put the inputs. I did use the inputs, but anyway, let me see. Oh, is this from the tower? Wow, okay. A last one then from the plane spotting view, which I like. Because I like that touchdown, man. Captain Nappet, thank you very much for the follow. Yeah, that was a nice touchdown, man. I liked it. It's 1 in a million, though. Don't worry. Okay, but at least happy enough. And oh, the dick pit view, the dick pit one. We never do this, and I should start doing this because it's quite interesting to see the, you know. There you go. That's it. Let's have a look. Thank you, Trajan. I will try and make an highlight, yes. Oh, yes. Aviator 7, thank you for the follow. Yeah, it was a nice landing, yes. I need to make... Man! I'll make a note. Don't worry. It's gonna be muted, probably, but we'll see. Killer Hamster! No, Killer Hamster! You're Marvin, then. Okay, didn't use the throttle a lot actually, but I use the inputs a lot, so I don't know, guys. But yeah, that was nice. I'm quite happy. So let's now get to the end of this. Oh shit, no! No. Let me get to the end properly. Here we go. Yeah, let me. Okay, scenery, please. Scenery. And yes, we might wanna keep it and make it a movie at some point. Yes, I like it. Now let me shut down the engines. Let's wait for the scenery to load properly. All right, and then let's find an ending song for tonight, guys. Starting to thank you each single one of you. My God, I can't even talk. For the follow, for the many follow, for the many views. Thank you so much, guys, for being so many. Wow, it's 60 of us. Are you crazy? Wow. Well, thank you so much, everybody. Just every stream you watch in the past of that is very scary. Shoots Mr. Scary. Mega, the fuck. Personally, the favorite. Oh.